Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Google Chrome web browser on HP OmniBook Flip 5 laptop. To install the Google Chrome web browser, we only need the internet connection. So make sure that you are connected to the internet. Open your default web browser. By default on Windows devices, it's Microsoft Edge. Open any search engine of your preference and then search for Google Chrome. You will see, as the first result, you will see the google.com website, which you can open and then click Download Chrome in the middle of this page. The Chrome setup file will be downloaded. You just have to click on it. Then you can close the browser. You have to click Yes, Next. And then simply wait until this browser is downloaded and installed on your computer. And once the installation is finished, the Google Chrome web browser will automatically open on your laptop. You will also get an icon on your desktop. If you don't like it, you can just drag it straight to the recycle bin and access your web browser from the start menu. Then you're gonna have to select whether you want to sign in or not sign in. So just select the option that you need. Then if you want to set Google Chrome as your default browser, click right here. Otherwise, click skip. And right now, you're ready to go with your brand new Google Chrome web browser. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.